Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Today I'm gonna do a food review of sorts as well. Going to do something that I might have tried before. I don't remember if I tried it, but going to do a chips that I found on clearance. It's the summer edition, which is barbecue and cola, barbecue cola flavor, which is weird, I know, but I'm gonna try it out anyway, just to see what it's all about. The barbecue flavor is prevalent in this one. And there's the hint with cola. As I said, the barbecue is more prevalent in this one. But then again, I don't know what I would feel with the cola flavor to it. But it's not something that I'm going to buy every day. I do have my flavors that I want to continue having. What do you guys think? Comment below, like and subscribe. And if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.